Well, we've just arrived in the tiny little town of Elgin, and that's probably 100 kilometers or so, maybe not as much, 80 kilometers to the east of Cape Town. And we've just arrived here, will you believe it, in a steam train. So every now and then, and I'll put all the sort of details down into the description below, but every now and then, Ceres Railway do a trip from Bot River, amongst others, up the whole pass to Elgin, that centre of apple and pear production in the Overberg. We spent some time photographing Clare at the Bot River station. Now Clare is an ex-South African Railways locomotive that was named after Clare Beckett, the matriarch of the family that owns Ceres Railways. The locomotive is an ex-South African Railways Class 19D loco, manufactured by the North British Locomotive Company in 1948. She weighs, that's not Clare Beckett, that's Clare the locomotive, weighs an astonishing 150 tons and consumes about 3 tons of coal on a trip, much like the one we're on. After pulling out of the Bot River station with much smoke and steam and noise, there's really nothing subtle about steam engines, and accompanied by a local marimba band, she puffed her way up the beautiful Hohoop Pass, crossing the Jakhals Rivier, or Jakhals River, a number of times on the way up. Once on the top of the pass, she was able to pick up speed, and we went whistling past, and in this case, literally, a number of small communities, apple orchards, and beautiful scenery in the distance before reaching Elgin. We stopped at Elgin Railway Market for just over an hour, which was more than enough time to take it all in and enjoy a really good cappuccino. We boarded the train and began the journey back to Bot River in the gathering gloom, a steady rain falling, the mist hanging low over the mountains. A truly wonderful experience. I cannot recommend it enough. Thanks for joining us on this trip. There will be more of these videos, and we look forward to seeing you on the next one. Cheers!